quantum complexity in a static, invisible, holographic multiverse. The invisible, abstract wave function in the void of the multiverse that binds our holographic, observable universes. Here's an isolated, bounded universe. It starts from the quantum level. I thought of quarks, the chromatic relationship among the quarks, and then I thought of the cat, Schrodinger's cat, and then the observer. All of these are subsystems of the entire universe, an isolated system. First is the interactions of the three bodies of the quantum quarks, then the cat itself, then the observer, then all of Wagner's friends, I believe that is, society as a whole, and then the universe. All of these are subsystems of interactions or observations, transmissions of information. That's what a wave function entanglement is, a transmission of information. Here's the boundary in the interior of a black hole. Heat death of black hole, entropy equilibrium. Time stops on the boundary. There's the guy, Bob, I guess, and there's the girl, Alice, at the boundary. But in the complementary aspect, she goes into the quantum complexity. The quantum entropy grows nearly infinite. The quantum complexity of observation, interactions within subsystems of the universe equals quantum complexity of black holes. Our universe, our bounded universe, is equal to a black hole. The growth of quantum complexity doesn't allow interactions in the void of a static, unobservable multiverse. Entanglement between observable realities of the unobservable multiverse. Many worlds. I'll go ahead and skip portals for now, but I'll go ahead and do this. These are my ideals of portals: photographic, televisual, and cosmic. A spectrum of portal technologies. The ghost interfacing paradox. For a portal to travel to another reality, it must be completely capable of existing completely outside of realities. Rule 1. It must be completely undetectable to everything in the reality. Rule 2. While being able to detect so as to pass through everything in that reality. Another portal is part of that particular reality. Portals must pass through each other like ghosts, completely unaware of the other. If a portal detects another portal, it is breaking Rule 1. If a portal can't detect another portal, it is breaking Rule 2. Well, here's the solution: the static multiverse. The solution to the ghost interfacing paradox, the void between universes. Each universe is an isolated system. No interactions, exchanges of information. The multiverse doesn't move freely around as objects do in our universe. No bubble universe bump patterns in the cosmic microwave background radiation. Each universe has self-contained wave function. Complexity keeps interactions and observations of other universes from happening because space-time moves so fast. If you were inside a portal, and even if your portal had arms and legs, it can move, but it can't affect the other portal or the other person. Neither could it see the other portal or the other person. This is the separation of the unobservable multiverse. It's static. It is moving. It's moving really fast. Complexity, quantum complexity, but there's no interaction between them, so it might as well be static. It is static. There's no interaction, no wave function. No observation, no wave function collapse. This is the reason, the void between the universes. This is the reason, for one thing, you don't see bump patterns of a universe in our cosmic background radiation, because our universe doesn't move. Our multiverse doesn't. Our universe does, but our multiverse doesn't. If you thought of our multiverse like a circuitry, like a crystallized circuitry, it doesn't move around. It best works when it's bounded by the invisible wave function in the abstract space of the multiverse to collapse into our individual universes. If it was static, quantum complexity makes it static, because it grows nearly to infinite so fast that nothing interacts with each other. It is static in that sense. But it's a crystallized universe, multiverse. The things don't move around like solar systems or galaxies even of our universe. In the multiverse, everything's static. In the void between universes, between realities, it's a static multiverse. And that gives the solution to the ghost interfacing paradox. They can't interact with each other. They can move around all they want to in each portal. Those balls represent portals. These portals right here, cosmic